Hello everyone, Esther here with manager. Well, today we will be cooking duck with Ash Gourd. We have already cleaned it, and let me tell you, like from where I found this duck. Actually, this duck was won by my mom in a lottery on Christmas Day that was organized at Yampa village. And the weather is quite cold today, so we will be cooking outside. There we have made some fire, so let's go ahead and cook it. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos. Now let's burn it. It is very cold today, that's why we decided to cook outside so that we can sit in the fire as well. So we will be cooking in the fire. And here is manager. He loves to follow us wherever we go. So after burning the duck, we need to remove the small feathers. Again, we need to make sure that everything is cleaned properly. You can have a look, there are small feathers remaining, so we need to clean all this. Well, he's Shankar helping me out with cutting the meat because I'm not very expert in cutting. This is the ash gourd that I'll be using along with the duck. So we plan to cook outside in the fire, but then it took us some time to clean the duck and it has become dark. So we have shifted here in the kitchen. We will be cooking it from here. So this is the duck that we have already cleaned and also washed it. And this is the ash gourd. I'll be using 3 tomatoes, ginger and garlic. This is chili powder, and this is dry bamboo shoot, and of course I'll be using salt also. So now let's go ahead and cook it. Now let's add the duck here. Next is chili powder. Three spoons will be okay. The next is tomato. If you don't want tomatoes to be added here, then you don't need to use. This is optional, but I love tomatoes, so I'm using tomato and also the dry bamboo shoot. This is the salt to taste. Now let's add some water. I think this will be okay. I'll add more water. First I'll let it boil. otherwise it will take time to cook. So for now this will be okay. Let's start cooking it. Need to cover it with a lid. Just let me find it out. Here it is. 30 to 35 minutes now, so let's have a look. Wow, it's cooking so well. I'm cooking it in a low flame because I want to make sure that all the ingredients, it goes inside the meat. You know, like the longer you cook, the tastier it is. So cook it. Always cook it for long. I'm going to cook this for about another half an hour, and after that I'll add the remaining ingredients. Look at this, like I have not added any oil, but it has so much fats that it is so much oil came out from the duck. So now let's cover it again and let it cook for some time again. So it's about another 30 minutes now. It is already cooked. So now I will be adding the ash gourd. It's over here. This is the ash gourd. I thought of adding more water, but then the ash gourd also has lots of water, so once it starts boiling, the water will come out automatically. So let's wait for some time, let it cook, and if we need to add more water, then we'll have a look. So now we'll cover it with a lid and let it cook for some time in a high flame. And in the meantime, I will clean the garlic. I need to find a knife. My nephew is crying over there. He is just 4 months old. I'll wash it once, both the garlic and the ginger. Let's pound the garlic. This is much easier to pound. Cut the ginger so that it is easier for me to pound it. forgot to show you one thing. I just found out that we have Michinga Guti, and here it is. I'm going to add some of it. It has seed also, but I will remove the seed and I will. Let's clean this. I'll remove. Usually we roast what do you call this? I forgot the name. Michinga seeds, but I'm not going to roast it now. I'll just add it like this for the smell. I'll just remove the seed and let's wash it and just add it so that it gives a good aroma. Now let's have a look. Oh, I think I will need to add more water because it is not cooked well. I want to make it gravy. That is the reason I'm going to add more water. Otherwise, if you want to have it dry, then you can just you don't need to add more water. But if you want to have it gravy, then you can add more water. So I'll be adding more water here. And let it cook for some time again. So I'll wait for this for about 10 minutes and then let's add the remaining ingredients. Well, I've been cooking this for more than an hour, so let's have a final look. So now let's add the remaining ingredients, that is the garlic and the ginger. Next, let's add the Michinga seeds. And finally, the dry bambooshoot. This will be okay. Now I don't need to cook it for long. I'll just turn off the flame. We are done. So let's cover it with